guys, it's Anissa. So today I have my long-awaited video all about how I deep condition my hair. I'm getting so many comments about my deep conditioning routine, what I do, what I use. I'm pretty sure if you're subscribed, you know what I use because I talk about it all the time in my videos. Just by saying that, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe already. Click the like button, comment down below any other videos you'd like to see from me. So this video is very requested, and I'll be talking about how I deep condition my hair. It's really easy, like I promise, it's so easy. That's why it took me so long to do it, because I just thought, like, I don't know, I thought it'd be like a really short video, but yeah, here we are. So yeah, today I'm gonna be talking about how I use the Shea Moisture Strengthener Restore Treatment Mask. This one is pretty much gone. As you're gonna see in the video, I basically finished it. This is all that's left. But yeah, this is my favorite deep conditioner, okay? I've tried so many. I literally have like a stack of deep conditioners, all full, because I always go back to this one. Like I have like 3 more on deck just because I can. Like I need this deep conditioner in my life. This makes your hair feel so hydrated. And in the video, I just went swimming before I show you guys how I use it. So you know when you go swimming, your hair is very dry, very tangled, and you're gonna see that my hair was just instantly moisturized. It was easy to finger detangle my hair even though it was really tangled from swimming. So yeah, this mask has shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar, and it's for natural chemically processed or heat styled hair. And my hair is chemically processed because it is bleached. As you see, my hair is naturally dark, but I bleached it I think like twice already. So if you know about that, it can really damage your hair. And my hair is very healthy, as you guys can see. My hair is still really healthy, even though I've bleached it multiple times already. You do think this has helped so much with my hair and making it bounce back. I make sure you use this once a week every time when I wash my hair. So I wash my hair once a week. I use this every time I wash my hair, so once a week. You can use it more depending on your hair type. So it all depends on your hair, how dry it is, how moisturized it is, how oily your scalp is, and your hair type. So it really all just depends on what you think works best for your hair type. You know your hair best, so it's really just trial and error. That's with anything in your hair journey. You just have to learn what works best for you. That's what I think is fun though. People, I don't know, some people don't think it's fun. Some people think of it as work. It's really all trial and error, but that's what I enjoy. I love trying new things. I love trying new styles, trying new products, seeing what works, trying a different product different ways. Yeah, don't give up. I'm telling you, don't give up. Once you find something that works for your hair, stick to it, keep doing it, and I promise you're gonna see results, okay? So I hope this product will work for you guys. Go ahead, continue watching this video if you'd like to see how I use it. I swear it's really easy. And yeah, it's gonna be a voiceover, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, go ahead and keep on watching if you'd like to see how I use it. And once again, this is the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. All right, so let's get into the video. All right, here's my hair right after swimming. It's really tangled. Today I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture shampoo. Honestly, you can use any shampoo that's sulfate free. I'm just going to rub that into my hair. I always start with my scalp since that's the dirtiest part, and just keep massaging it in. I don't scratch my scalp. I use my fingertips to massage it. I'm also going to bring it down to the rest of my hair since it does have chlorine in it from swimming. It's important to get the chlorine out of your hair so it doesn't dry it out. And then I just rinse my hair, make sure to get all the shampoo out, because if not, it can dry your hair out if you leave some of it in there. So just make sure you rinse it out really good. All right, here's the star of the show. This is the deep conditioner. I'm just showing you guys the name of it again. I promise you guys, this is the best deep conditioner I've ever used. I really love it. And as you see, I'm running out. This is like my 5th bottle of this stuff. So probably going to finish in this video. And it does smell pretty good. As you can see, it's thick with 2 C's, thick. I'm just going to rub that in my hair, start with my scalp. And I'm just going to make sure it gets all throughout my hair. And I'll detangle my hair with my fingers. Right when I put it in my hair, instantly moisturize it. So it's really easy to finger detangle it, even though it is really tangled from swimming. Continue and focus on my ends because that's the oldest part of your hair and it's really dry. So make sure to get that. And I like just finger detangle. I do finger detangle upside down. If you guys haven't seen my detangling video, I'll link that down below. Make sure to be gentle with your hair so you don't cause any more breakage. Alright, so now I just put my hair up in a bun and continue with the rest of my shower. I'll leave this on for like 10-15 minutes. You can leave it on longer if you want, but just depends on your preference. Yeah, so I'm just gonna leave my hair like this and then continue with my shower. As you can see, I did use a lot. There's a little left, but just wanted to show you guys how much I use. Alright, I'm back. I'm just gonna take my hair down from the bun. And also the steam from the shower will help your deep conditioner set in more, so make sure you take hot showers when you're actually deep conditioning your hair. And I'll just rinse it out, make sure to get everything out. And just for conditioner, I use a Shea Moisture conditioner. This one's really moisturizing. Just use a couple pumps of that. And keep finger detangling. Even though I got most of the tangles out, there is still some, but that's fine. And I do also let this conditioner sit in my hair. I'll put my hair in a bun, but I do rinse it out. And I leave a little bit in my hair, but not a lot. I told you guys, it was really easy and it was really simple. And honestly, all you need is this product. Like, I don't really use any other heat caps or anything like that. I am planning on trying those. So yeah, stay tuned for those videos. But I hope you guys go ahead and try this product. I love it, especially if you similar hair type to me. Even if you don't, like a lot of my friends started using this and their hair type is not the same as mine at all. But try this product out. Comment down below what you guys think about it. What other videos you would like to see from moi. Thank you guys for watching this video. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and alright, I'll see you in the next one.